Welcome to our intro tutorial to creating a profitable online course. With the rise of e-learning having become so prevalent over the past decade or so, there are now countless opportunities to share your expertise, teach others, and potentially profit from it. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps you must take to create a profitable online course. These steps will include things from coming up with your plan to what you must do to guarantee your success, so make sure you watch to the end. Step 1. Choosing your topic. The first step in creating an online course is to choose your topic. To do this effectively, you must think about what you're passionate about and what proven skills you have to offer. The general concept is that in order to effectively teach, you should have had some past success in whatever you're teaching about. Researching popular topics can help you gain insight into where you can add the most value. You can also survey your target audience or potential students to see what they're most interested in learning. Step 2. Planning your course. Once you've researched and chosen your topic, it's time to plan your course. The first step to this is determining the learning objectives and outcomes you want your students to achieve. If you've surveyed your audience, you may already have a decent foundation to build upon. You must create a course outline that breaks down the material into manageable and digestible modules or sections. Make sure to include assessments, quizzes, and tests to help track your students' progress and knowledge. Step 3. Recording your content. Once your course plan is in place, it's time to start recording your content. This can be relatively easily achieved using a screen recording software to create videos or slideshows that walk your students through the course material. You should consider using a good microphone and camera to make your course more engaging and limit poor quality content. Always make sure to write a script and practice your presentation before recording. You only get one chance to deliver your online course's message effectively before online students will look elsewhere for this material. Step 4. Editing your content. Once you've recorded your content, it's time to edit it. Using editing software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro to clean up your videos and add effects or music can help to keep your students engaged in your course. You should always make sure to keep your content concise and engaging. You not only want to keep your students' attention, but you also want to make sure that they're able to retain the information you're giving them. Step 5. Choosing a platform. With your course content recorded and edited, it's time to choose a platform to host your course. There are many options available, including Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific, and more. Make sure to compare and contrast the features and pricing of each platform and choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Not every platform is perfect for every course, so make sure to thoroughly do your research here. Step 6. Setting up your course. Once you've chosen which platform you'll be using to host your course, it's time to get it all set up. The first step is to upload your content and create a well-optimized landing page that promotes your course. You should be sure to include a clear description of your course as well as pricing and any special offers you may be offering. Step 7. Promoting your course. With your course live, it's time to start promoting it. One of the most obvious and the most utilized forms of promotion is social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. While these are all great tools to reach potential students, you might also want to look to other options in addition to social media promotion. One of the other methods of promotion to consider is using paid advertising or partnering with influencers within your course's niche to reach a larger audience. You can also offer discounts or free trials to attract new students. Step 8. Engaging with your students. Of course, it's also important to actively engage with your students and build a community around your course. Creating a forum or discussion group where students can ask questions and share their progress can be a good way to keep students engaged and build your course community. Always make sure to respond to your students' questions and provide feedback on their work. This will help build trust and loyalty. Step 9. Continuously updating your course. As your course grows and evolves, it's important to update it accordingly. One way to do this is to use feedback from your students to improve the course material, assessments, and other aspects of the course. Keeping an eye on industry trends and making sure your course stays up to date with the latest information will keep you relevant. Step 10. Analyzing your course. Analyzing your course performance goes hand in hand with updating your course, but it's important enough to mention alone. Tracking students' progress, completion rates, and feedback will enable you to effectively update your course. Use this data to make informed decisions about both improving your course and your marketing efforts. In conclusion, creating an online course can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge and earn money. With the right tools and strategies, you can create a course that provides value to your students and helps you achieve your goals. We hope this video has helped you get started on your journey. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be the first to get future videos on how to make money online.